Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Members Mark Cra-Mazing dried cranberries. This is just the gluten-free one. The net weight on these is just 56 ounces, 3.5 pounds, 1.59 kilograms. Yeah, and so just flipping it over to the back to give some nice health facts, shows what they look like. But it just, Members Mark just says a little bit, like it gives a little spiel about the cranberries. Let's see the nutrition facts over here. So these are the nice nutrition facts. And then it just gives in a recipe to chicken salad with cranberries. So yeah, and then as you guys can see, these are the cranberries. So good. Okay. So flipping this over, and right here guys, it just says a fat-free food, which is good because we all are out here trying to live our best, healthiest life, hopefully. But just getting started. So guys, Members Mark has honestly filled up like half my pantry. Like, it is honestly really just a brand that I would say, like, at this point, like, I'm in love with it. They honestly have so many good products. It's not expensive. You can buy it in bulk, which I super love. They make all their products in bulk products. You can find it at like Sam's Club, Amazon, like all of that. Like, honestly, just such a good product and such like a really good brand in my opinion. But yeah, so Members Mark has honestly been one of those things where it's like, all right, like such a decent brand in my opinion, just because for the reasons that I've stated, but then also too, like, usually it's like with brands and products, like you get one thing but you're lacking the other. But I feel like with Members Mark, you get quality food and good prices, and on top of that, bulks and good quality. It's just overall a really good deal. So that's just starting off with the off as a brand. So like I mentioned, like Members Mark makes really good products, and this is one of them. So guys, let me tell you, I wasn't always an healthy eater, and I still to this day, like, I have trouble watching what I eat just because I live in a big city. So it's kind of hard when you have like jerk chicken and like hot dogs and deep dish pizza and things like that, like super surrounding that area. And so I literally have to keep my head down when I walk back from work, and I literally have to tell myself like, okay, like, no, you don't need it, like keep walking, like keep going. But when I did start my healthy journey, it was just kind of one of those things for me, or my health journey, it was just kind of one of those things for me where it's kind of like you have to do it for yourself. And so these were a big part of it. Before I started eating healthy, the reason why I never really thought I wanted to do it is because I thought like it would never taste good, or like I just like eating healthy is just eating boring. But a lot of things have changed my mind about that, and especially these. So if any of you guys are a fan of cranberry juice, like just cranberries in general, I love these, and I'm going to tell you guys multiple ways you can use them. But honestly, the calories that it's not no fat, gluten free, and not that many calories. So honestly, like, I think it's just like a triple threat. Like, you're really like getting a really good serving out of you can get a really good serving out of this, really good nutrition out of it, and not have to worry about how it will affect your body at the end of the day. And so what I usually do with this is, first starting out for breakfast, I love oatmeal. So I will take some of these and I'll put it in my oatmeal. If any of you guys know what grits are, they taste really good with grits. Cream of wheat tastes really good with these. And then if you guys know what acai bowls are, You guys can make your own at home acai bowls with like just some blended up fruit, and then sprinkle a little bit of these on tops with some oats. Really, really good. And then if you guys like the chicken salad recipe on the back, I've never had these with chicken salad before, but I have had these with like broccoli salad, if any of you guys know what broccoli salad is. And it's really, really good. It's just like broccoli, a little mayo, extremely good. These taste really, really good with marshmallow salad if you guys are looking for a dessert to throw these in. But you guys can just Google recipes. For the most part, it's really amazing. I love how it comes in the big bag too, because I eat these as a snack. So I have little baggies and I'll just put a handful of them in a baggie and just walk to work and eat these. And two, they keep you, they give you like a, it's like a filling. So it's almost like it's like eating a snack. Like that's really what it is. It's literally as filling as like I would say like me, I don't know, like an unhealthy snack. I feel like makes you feel like tired and weary. These just boost me up and make me feel like I'm on top of the world. So like I just said before, oh guys, and I forgot to mention this, there is a to open tier here, resealable part. But like I've just said before, this is just the Members Mark Cra-Mazing dried 3.5 pound cranberry bag, the gluten-free one. And this is just a fat-free food. And yeah, like I said before, the net weight is just 56 ounces, 3.5 pounds, 1.59 kilograms.